Hi everyone, my name is Anay Abhijit Joshi and let's just explore the project one. So this is the apps link which was being deployed on Netlify. So as you can see, the name of this app is MindVault. It's your virtual friend where you can log all your daily activities. So here let's start with the navbar. So on navbar, when you click on features, it gives a small pop-up window for 3 seconds telling what it is. On wires, like why choosing my MindVault, then you can also contact MindVault at helpdesk@mindscribe.com, and you can also hover between dark mode and light mode. So as you can see, this circle, it's a breathing exercise game where it continues for 5 seconds to breathe and inhale and exhale. Then you can keep going down. Here you can see these testimonials of people that why mind vault is being loved by millions worldwide. Then there is a footer which is giving you a very nice look. Let's explore this a little bit later. So let's start with the login page. So I come here, I enter my name, I say login. It will say invalid credentials, please try again or create an account. This is because I am a new user. So let's just create an account, sign up. It will say account created successfully, please log in. So this is all visual feedback by this web app. Then now let's just do a login. So now it will say welcome back Anay. Perfect. Then it will welcome with a pop-up box saying what specific skill do I like to focus on improving today or log. So let's say today I want to do and talk about skating. So I'll say submit. It will say great, you have set your focus on skating. Perfect. Then as you can see, this is my app. Again, here you can change it between light mode and dark mode. If you click on this GitHub link or demo video link, it will take you to appropriate pages. As you can see, it takes you back here on my GitHub page. Then here we can talk about welcome Anay. This is like the user's name. It gives a short description. Then when I click on start journaling now, it will take me to the journaling thing, which is right bottom. It takes very smoothly. At the same time, there are some key features here added right under this window. In this component, you have unlimited entries and what exactly this mind vault does. So when you click on any of them, it gives a very nice component or a container explaining what it is, and you can just close it once you have done reading it. You can do it for any of these key features. Then once you are on the personalized dashboard, it will tell you about you. Like it will say hello Anay, today's date is Thursday, your journey began with us on November 29. This is because I do have a username with that name earlier. Then it will say actively engaged for 13 days, keep up the great work. That's really perfect. Then you can keep going down, keep going down. He will say time traveler, which is for fetching the previous entries. So let's just start. Imagine that I have to fill an entry for 5th of December. I'll say fetch previous data entry. It will say you haven't logged any activity. So let's just fill those details for 5th. So what was my emotional landscape today? Imagine that today is 5th of December. So it will say emotional pulse check. So these are check boxes. So this is one of the requirements of the project. So let's say on that day I was exhausted, helpful, creatively inspired. It will take me down. It will ask me about Anna's moment snap. It will ask capture the essence of the day. You can just go here, choose any file that you like, and it supports multiple images. So let's just take the selfie which I took for our UI project. I'll upload it. Mission control, set my goals. So it asks about how much hours of time do I need to focus on skating. That is the activity which we chose. So let's say I want to have 10. Meditation duration in minutes, I can set it to 100 or you can change it if you want. Let's say we set it to 100 itself. Then what is my body hydration goal in liters? Let's say the body hydration goal is 4, 3, whatever you like. Then we come and jump on to Anay's hydration hub. That is my hydration hub, where you can track your water count. Then you can click on 500 ml. I had let's say, then after a few hours I had 1 liter of water. So you can just come here and update it. Let's say, but if for some reason you click on some wrong tab and you have to set it up, you can say -1 liter, or you can also reset it back. So let's say on 5th of December I had uh, let's because I did a mistake, I had 2.5 liters of water. So I did first 3.5 and then I did -1, so it took me back to 2.5 liters. Then you can go down self reflection to remember, help us remember. Let's say this is for 5th December 2024. You can come down, it will ask about mastery tracker, that is how long do you want to have you did skating for. So let's say hours dedicated to skating on that day were 2. Relax and recharge, so meditation, how long did I did meditation. If I did not, I don't need to click here. You can also see all buttons have a very nice hovering effect matching the UI's background. If I say yes, it will say how many minutes did I do. So I added a very nice slider for this because this acts as another different type of user selection method, which was being a project goal to use two different things. So I use checkbox, I use text entry, I use slider, I use buttons, and I also use this. So we go down and we say you have devoted, let's say on that day I devoted 60 minutes to meditation. And build up your strength, it will ask about protein sources you consumed. So you can click on eggs, you can click on chicken, this will come up. You can also remove it if you want, if you did not have it on that day. So this will all get updated very nicely. Now expand your routine. Would you like to log any different activities? If it's a no, it will be on no. If you want to have it a yes, you can just go over it. You can see the hovering effect. I am on that button. I can click yes. Let's say I want to add on that day swimming. I want to have an activity which is swimming. I hope the spelling is right. Yeah. I will say submit activity request, again with a very nice hovering effect. It will say thank you, the activity has been request has been submitted, and the team will update accordingly. This is because I don't want the users to just randomly add the activities and later get confused. So as the industry standards follow such methods where you submit a request, the IT approves it. This is what I'm going to follow here. Let's say you want to remove any activities. Let's imagine that I already have some activity like reading in my database, not database, in my routine, and I will say submit removal request. It will say remove underway, perfect. Then you can also come here, your report is being done. Currently, as you can see, this is all empty, my achievement overview and performance matrix. So as soon as I click the submit button, the reason this has a different hovering effect is because I want to differentiate between the submit button for the whole report. So as soon as I click on submit, it will give me a visual feedback saying success journal has been saved, and this will get updated with all the appropriate matrix. So we have a donut chart, we also have a bar graph. This is all cool. Then again we come down, we have testimonials page here. You can keep going here and there, or automatically this will be really nice. Then again here we are on footer page. So on the footer page you can see this is the future work, but I don't want to disappoint my users. So if a user clicks on any of this, I interact with them with a very nice message saying that get help and answers, and you can click on any of them, it will work. If you click on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, it will give you a very nice message. So in that way user won't get disappointed if nothing pops up. So the footer is being also done. Now this, let's say if I want to log out, I also added a logout button, so I can just log out and it will take me back to this main page, which is perfect. You can change the modes if you want. Let's just log back in. So I will log in. It will say perfect, welcome back Anay. Now let's say today I want to focus on cooking. I'll say submit, perfect. You can also see the navigation bar as I told you earlier, why us, etc. Let's just start journaling now. So I am here on 12th. So let me show you how it saves the data. So before filling the details for 12th, if I try to go on, if I try to go on 11th, I don't have any data filled. So it will also tell you again, no data has been filled for that day. but we already filled the data for 5th of December. So let's just check. So I'll say fetch data entry. It will say great, your data entry for 5th has been loaded successfully. That's really cool. So you can go down, and as you can see, we chose exhausted, hopeful, creatively inspired. That is already being there. Then you can see about mission control, set your goals. That's already there. The hydration hub is already being there. This is 5th of December, which we chose for. Perfect. Then the relax and recharge meditation tracker is being there. Swimming and reading is being there. We did not choose any of the proteins for this one. Here we have swimming, reading, which we did. So in this way, the user will remember what request was being sent, or what request was being sent to remove any activity or add any activity. So when the IT team sends an email, the user won't be in a maze or shock like what is this. You can also see the overview, performance matrix breakdown. That is really perfect. And now let's just go and fill the data entry for today, that is December 12th. That is perfect. Today I did not fill it. That's what it is. So as you can see, the current time, journey, everything has been shown perfectly, and it welcomes the user. And so because I am Anay, so hello Anay. Then let's today, what's your emotional landscape today? Today I am energetic. Today I am calm. Then I keep going down. Set your goals. Usually people set the goals for a long time, so I want to keep the goals same. And the reason I added these goals on top, because once you set a goal, then only people will go down and change it accordingly. If my hydration goal is 4, that's why I'm setting it all these things below, and my goal is being set first. And this achievement portfolio is at the bottom because this is the overall result, which will come based on our users input. So you can come here, you can say, today I want to change it to 5. Let's say I want to set it to 90, and cooking by hours I want to set it to 10. Then I can say I had 1 liter of water today. I can say this is 12th December 2024. Track my cooking hours. Let's say I had 9 hours. So this is a checkbox also, and you can also click here and it will be visible. So different things. So today let's say I did 4 hours of cooking. Meditation tracker, yes, I did meditation. Let's say I did it for 45 minutes. No, I did not have any food today, so I'll not lie to you. So I did not have any protein yet. I'll have my dinner after this. And activity I want to add, let's say this time I want to add painting. I'll submit the request. I don't want to remove anything, and I'll say submit. Perfect. Journal has been saved. You can see this will get updated perfectly. All the data. Oops, I should have not logged out. Let me show you that. I come back here, log in. Welcome back, Anay. Today, let's say I want to do yoga, and I can go down. Let's just fetch the data entry for 5th, just to show you again that it saves all the data. As you can see, the data entry exhausted. This is 5th of December, perfect. And when you go back on 12th, it will say great, data entry has been loaded successfully, energetic, calm. The goals that were changed for on that day, and 1 liters of water, as I told you, 12th of December, meditation for 45 minutes, painting, and all these things. So everything looks perfect, and I have satisfied all the requirements for this project, and I hope that I get full points in this one. Thank you so much.